What's up everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. And so for this week's video, I decided to do a little bit of baking. And so I wanted to make some ham and cheddar scones for you guys. And these are so delicious. They're moist, they're soft, you get the cheesiness, you get the saltiness from the ham. They are absolutely amazing. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, for the first thing you want to do is get your food processor. And if you don't have your food processor, no big deal, you can use your hands. And I'm using 1 3/4 cup of flour along with 1/4 cup of sugar and about 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I am going to add just a pinch of salt, and I think I'm using about 1/8 of a teaspoon here. And I'm going to put a lid on it and just give it a quick pulse just to make sure everything is combined and well blended and there's no chunks from the flour. And I'm taking 5 tablespoons of nice chilled butter, and I'm going to give it another pulse just until it's nice and crumbly and just well incorporated together. Okay, and now I'm going to start adding my liquid, and I'm taking 1/2 cup of milk. I'm just going to pour that right in. Now this next ingredient I know is going to be a little weird, but I'm using sour cream. But it's only about 1/4 cup, so it's not that much, not really going to taste it. It's just going to add some moistness to the scones, and just going to do that another pulse till everything's well incorporated. Just like you see here, and I'm going to plop that right onto a nice clean surface so that we can start mixing in our cheddar and our ham. Okay, so as you can see, it's still a little steady, so I'm just adding a little bit of flour. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of cheese to this. I know it's a lot of cheese, but hey, I love cheese, so I ain't mad about 2 cups. And so I'm just going to give that a good mix until it's nice, well, and incorporated. You don't want to overwork the dough because you don't want a tough dough, just enough to where it's well mixed. And now I'm taking a bench scraper, and basically it just helps me scrape up all of the crumbles and the little bits that are left on the side. And now I'm taking 1 cup of ham, and I went to my local deli and I just had them do really thick slices, and I just dice them up and mix it in. And now I'm adding just a little bit more flour and just giving that a little mix, no measurements, just mixing it. And now I am going to shape it so that so our next step will be able to shape our scones a little bit easier. Okay, and now you're going to take some food safe plastic wrap, and you just want to make sure it is completely covered because we are going to chill this just like you see here, and we're going to chill it for about 20 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to take my bench scraper and I'm going to slice these up. I'm doing about 8, but depending on how big you want your scones, you can do 6 slices, you can do 8 like I'm doing, however you prefer, no big deal. Okay, and I'm taking a grease line baking sheet. As you can see, I'm kind of like zooming through this real quickly. And I'm just going to plop them on my baking sheet. Okay, and now I'm going to add an egg wash, and an egg wash just like egg with a little bit of water, and it's going to give our scones a nice shiny coating to it. And now I'm going to plop in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. Just keep your eye on them, and there you have it. And there you have it, my ham and cheddar scones. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I, of course, enjoyed making it for you. But if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And as always, I'll be linking the measurement and ingredients and directions along with my social media down below, so check it out. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye!